In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cut image in Affinity Designer. We'll walk through a quick, clean way to isolate a person from a photo and place the cutout exactly where you want it using simple tools you already have in the app. Start by opening Affinity Designer on your computer and loading the document that contains the image you want to work with. If your image is already on the canvas, you're ready to go. It helps to zoom in a little so you can see the edges clearly while you work. On the left toolbar, choose the Selection Brush tool. This tool lets you paint a selection, which means anywhere you brush becomes part of the selection. Make sure you're in Add mode so each stroke includes more of the subject. Adjust the brush size in the Context toolbar or use your keyboard shortcuts to quickly make the brush larger for broad areas and smaller for tight edges. The goal here is control, bigger for jackets and backgrounds, smaller for hair, hands, and detailed edges. Now select the person in the image by brushing over them. Move slowly and watch the marching ant's outline as it snaps to edges. If the brush accidentally grabs part of the background, switch to Subtract mode in the toolbar and paint that area away, then switch back to BC so add to continue. Zoom in as needed and take your time around tricky areas like hair or gaps between arms and body. Keep going until the entire person is cleanly outlined. Once you're satisfied with the selection, press Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac to copy. This copies only the pixels inside the selection, so you get just the person without the background. Next, press Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac to paste. Affinity Designer will place the copied subject on a new layer above your original image. This is great because your original layer stays untouched and you can toggle it on or off at any time. Finally, place the cut image where you want it. Select the Move tool and drag the new layer into position. Use the corner handles to scale if needed. Hold Shift to keep the proportions intact, and rotate slightly if it helps your layout. Snapping can help align the cutout with other elements, so keep an eye on those guides as you move. And that's it. You opened Affinity Designer, used the selection brush to capture the person, copied, pasted, and placed the cutout fast, non-destructive, and clean. Save your document, and you're done.